Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. I really just wanted to come on here for just a quick second and really raise the question. The market just closed. It's been, basically 30 minutes, an hour since the market closed. And I wanted to bring up this one point. One of my favorite times to reflect on the market is right after the close because everything's fresh on your mind, what you did well and what you didn't do well, and perhaps what you need to improve on. And my first question for you would be number one, did you follow a plan? And with that, did you even have a plan? That's really the first key with trading. You have to have a trading plan or in what I often call a trading system. You have to have some framework to go about. And the more flexible and loose your plan is, the more tendencies you may have to deviate from the plan. And deviation for most traders is a really, really dangerous thing. So, first question is, did you have a plan? Did you follow the plan? And then the next question is, if you were to really look at your trades from a I 100% followed my plan to I followed half of it to I didn't follow it at all to even I don't even know what in the world I'm doing as far as a plan. And I want you to take that question and think about it and then tie it back to what are your real trading goals at the end of the day? What do you want out of this? You're spending this time, listening to this video, watching my material. You're probably spending a lot of time watching the Brooks trading course. Maybe you're in the trading room and, maybe you're spending hours and hours each evening looking at charts. And for a large portion of you, I would guess that you're putting in a lot of work, but you're not treating your trading as a business. And what I mean by that is you're basically going into the day and just kind of swinging for the fences, and you're measuring everything that you're doing from the standpoint of P&L. Did I make money today or did I lose money today? And that's really not the right way to look at it. How you should look at it is, did I follow my plan? And more importantly, did I execute on my plan? Execution of a plan is far more valuable. It's the most valuable thing you can do. You can have the greatest plan in the world, but if you can't execute it, it's really pointless. And so what I invite you to do is to really think about, am I following my plan and do I even know what my plan is? And if you're in the second camp and you really don't know what your plan is and you really don't know, where to begin, how do I start a plan? How do I build a trading idea? I know I should trade breakouts and second legs. I hear that every day. But how do I actually go about trading breakouts and second legs? I invite you, go to the link below, click the link below. It's the Quant Systems Academy overview page, and take a look at the course. I'm going to be taking ideally about 15 students on a year-long journey, teaching them how to trade systems and really just learning, for one, how do you build a system? And the second thing is, after you build a system, how do you actually follow it? Like I said, having an idea, having a game plan is great, but if you can't execute and follow the game plan, then it's really not going to matter. I had several students last year in Systems Academy. They built systems, but few could really, really execute it really well. And even to this day, there's several students who are working on actually building their system, and not only building their system, they're working on executing their system. And that's a really, really tough thing. So what you need, you got to have a system. You got to have the discipline to follow the system. And then lastly, you got to have the accountability to actually follow your plan, stick to your system. Most of you have very, pretty reasonable trading ideas, but you don't have a means to actually stay accountable. So really what I'm asking you in this video is, today, do you have a way to be accountable to your system and be accountable to your trading plan? Because you have to. That is required. So anyways, if you want my help in this, or if you want James's help, he's a great teacher as well. He's done really, good things with his students. For me, I'm going to be coaching more from the standpoint of discretionary trading. rule-based discretionary trading. So really looking at the chart and using the moving average for filters. And if you have questions about Systems Academy or what it is, what in the world's a system, just leave a comment below and we'll discuss it. But overall, you got to have a plan and you got to execute on the plan. Without those two things, your trading is not going to matter. And you have to treat your trading like a business. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys improve and learn something from this video. And as always, reach out if you have a question. Bye, everyone.